Okay, so this is going to be kind of a sample, see how Camtasia goes, see how this works. I'm not going to do too many Camtasia tutorials, so don't worry, you don't have to listen to my voice that much. But I did want to make sure things work, and I did want to show you one quick tip from Photoshop and InDesign that I think will help you revising your reports at the end of the semester. So one thing a bunch of you did is you had both images and colors, like sidebars, in your reports, and you tried to match the color of the sidebar to the color in the image. And there's no real way to do that because you're going by eye, and none of our eyes are good enough to do that. So I wanted to show you how you can pull a color from an image in Photoshop and then use that color in a sidebar in InDesign. So okay, say I have this picture and this sidebar, and this is InDesign, okay? So I can try to get this to match, but like I'm never going to get this to like match that dog color very well because, I mean, it's just too hard. So yeah, kind of guess at it, you're never going to be able to get it. But if you take that image and open it in Photoshop, and you go to this thing over there called the eyedropper tool, which you will learn about in your tutorials, but I just wanted to show you really quickly. What the eyedropper tool does is it samples colors from an image and then makes that your primary color. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Like say I want a darker part of Daisy. This is Daisy, by the way. She loves wearing clothes, and this is her getting dressed up for our wedding. But say I want to sample a color of Daisy, say this darker part. I go to the eyedropper tool. This is all in Photoshop, remember. And I click, and then it samples the color, okay? Now, how do I get that color from there to this in Illustrator? So the easiest way I've found to do it is down here is what color you just sampled, right here in this bottom left-hand corner. Hopefully y'all are seeing this, the set foreground color. Now, if you double-click set foreground color, it tells you what that color is. Like, here's your CMYK values, here's your RGB values. But the easiest way is this number right here, which is the hex number. So this is the hex color it is. Now, if you copy that, so just Control-C or however you all Mac people copy anything. So you just copy this number, okay? Then you go back to this other image, you click on this sidebar, then you click in foreground color right here, the fill. You then can just paste that hex color in, and you will get that darker color there. Now, it's obviously not going to match completely because photographs have a lot of colors, but it will port the color that you chose from the eyedropper tool over. So that's just one quick tip to kind of make things match a little better. And hopefully you can keep that in mind. And it's pretty easy. You just open the image in Photoshop, use the eyedropper tool, get the color value, and then go back and you can fill in whatever other kind of color on the page to match the primary color of a photo. So okay, hopefully that made sense. This won't be the last video, but like I said, I won't be doing too many screen grabs, but fingers crossed that this worked and I don't have to do this all over again.